I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. This card is a popular choice for earning cash back rewards without paying an annual fee. It features a dynamic reward structure, including 5% back on rotating bonus categories that you activate quarterly. Plus, new card members can earn a generous $200 bonus after meeting a small spending requirement in the first 3 months. Maximizing your rewards with the Chase Freedom Flex is straightforward. Remember to activate your quarterly bonus categories to earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in combined purchases. Beyond that, you consistently earn 5% on travel booked through Chase Travel. Plus, dining at restaurants and drugstore purchases always receive 3% cash back, while all other eligible spending earns 1%. Beyond the impressive cash back, the Chase Freedom Flex offers several valuable benefits. You receive cell phone protection, covering up to $800 per claim, with a $50 deductible. The card also includes purchase protection and extended warranty coverage. Furthermore, new cardholders can take advantage of a 0% introductory APRA on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months. Best of all, your cash back rewards never expire. So, is the Chase Freedom Flex the right card for you? It's an excellent choice if you like to actively manage your spending to maximize rotating bonus categories. With no annual fee, it provides significant value, especially with its consistent 3% cash back on dining and drugstores. For even greater rewards, consider pairing it with another Chase Ultimate Rewards card. This card truly offers a powerful combination of benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.